this morning, feeling alright. Stumbled to the kitchen, ready for a bite. I opened up the door, but man, what a sight. My fridge is humming softly, but then it just dies. Oh no, oh my, what's this crazy mess? No more ice cream dreams or that late night quest. Gotta find a way to survive this fridge test. I can't let my hunger put me to the rest. Oh damn, my fridge just died. What am I going to do? Gonna grab my dancing shoes and jive. Oh damn, what a wild ride. I'll cook up something new, bring the party alive. Alright, here we go, let's have some fun. Time to shake it up, cause life's just begun. Got a pantry full of goodies, let's make a plan. Gonna whip up a feast like the ultimate chef, man. Pasta, tacos, throw in some spice. Who knew losing a fridge could feel so nice? Oh no, oh my, flip the script, let's play. Dance around the kitchen, we'll make it our stage. Don't need no cold drinks or a cooling parade. We're cooking up laughter, watch the worries fade. Oh damn, my fridge just died. What am I going to do? Gonna grab my dancing shoes and jive. Oh damn, what a wild ride. I'll cook up something new, bring the party alive. Hey, hey. Let's gather around, raise your glass high. We're toasting to the chaos under this wild sky. Oh, we won't let it bring us down. When life gives you lemons, spin it round. Oh damn, my fridge just died. What am I going to do? Gonna grab my dancing shoes and jive. Oh damn, what a wild ride. I'll cook up something new, bring the party alive. So raise your forks and let's taste the